Allergies can turn a beautiful day into a nightmare of sneezes, sniffles, and watery eyes. But what exactly are allergies, and how does allergy medicine work to calm our body's overreaction? Imagine your immune system as a vigilant guard, always on alert, seeking out potential threats. In most cases, this guard protects us from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. However, for those with allergies, the immune system mistakenly identifies harmless substances such as pollen, pet dander, or dust as dangerous adversaries. When this overreaction occurs, the immune system releases chemicals like histamines into the body. Histamines play a significant role in the allergic response, leading to symptoms like itchy eyes, runny noses, and even difficulty breathing. Allergy medications, particularly antihistamines, are designed to block the effects of these histamines. They attach to histamine receptors in your body, preventing histamine from binding and thereby reducing your symptoms. Most modern antihistamines are effective without causing significant drowsiness, making them suitable for daytime use. While antihistamines address the symptoms, they are not the only option. Corticosteroids, often available as nasal sprays or inhalers, target inflammation directly, providing relief by calming the immune system's hyperactive responses. Other forms of allergy medicine, such as decongestants, work to alleviate specific symptoms by narrowing swollen blood vessels and opening nasal passages, making it easier to breathe. Additionally, for long-term relief, some opt for immunotherapy, commonly known as allergy shots. This method gradually desensitizes the immune system to trigger substances over time, resulting in fewer allergic reactions. It's a personalized, calculated approach that speaks directly to the root of your body's overreaction. In essence, allergy medications are like peacekeepers. They work tirelessly to maintain harmony between your immune system and the environment, ensuring that a walk in the park remains just that, a simple delight. By choosing the right medication under the guidance of healthcare professionals, many can return to enjoying life with more ease and comfort and less intrusion from allergies.